So I'm here with Jason and we're just repairing some of these old school chairs that we just acquired. We've got 42 of them and you can just see there the back post is really quite wobbly and there's quite a bit of looseness there with the joint. It seems as though over the years, these chairs are probably about 40 or 50 years old, that the glue has just worn away and there isn't that much more support. So rather than just simply gluing them and clamping them shut, we're going to make them a lot more secure and the joints a lot tighter. So let's see what Jason gets up to. So the first stage is just to loosen it a little bit more. I'm just going to come around this side. You can see he's just squirting some glue into the joint there. So he's just going to drill right the way through. He's just got a little dowel rod. Again, he fills the hole with glue and then just gives it a little tap. Wipes away the glue and then hey presto. Joint is a lot tighter now and a lot more secure. And what we'll do is just clamp that to make sure, and then wipe it away. And then once that's dried, we'll then cut away that excess of the dowel on this side here. And here's one that we've clamped a lot earlier. Just see the back of the dowel there, and that will be cut off once everything's dry. Okay. So this is Graeme just about to give one a little bit of a clean. I'll just show you just a little bit of a wipe down, and he'll get rid of some of the paint marks on there with a little bit of fine wire wool. In fact, actually just a good scrub is getting rid of most of the paint works. Then here's a chair that's been completely finished. I'm just going to zoom in. You can just see there, nice tight joint, really nice. We'll just give them a bit of a wash, a bit of a wipe, and then the chairs will look as good as they were when they were last being used at the school.